What's up? This video's for Jamie. Show you how to sharpen a chainsaw. So first thing you want to do is grab your file and throw that in the garbage. Get yourself one of these. They're around 50 bucks. See, it does the round file, it takes the teeth down while it does the depth gauge at the same time, and all the metal on it gets to the appropriate level. And right here you can see these lines, get that parallel with your bar, and you just run her through like that. Try that again so you can see. Just run her through like that. I like to make it so I do the same amount on each one here. So I do 4, I'll go 4 on this one. So you'll do it all on one side, and the way I have it set up, I'm gonna take the chainsaw off and turn it around to do the other side. But yeah, there's nothing to it. Just get after it. Tim, you gotta learn this too. Then you just do the other side, and then when you get the other side, you gotta turn this thing around and flip it. And there's arrows on it showing you which way to file. Right there. And yeah, you just put it in like that. Run her through. Nothing to her. We'll cut some trees.